Welcome to LinkeDDup.com. In the previous video, you were guided about the methods through which you can log on to your vendor's account. Today's video is all about how you can enter your product on LinkeDDup vendor's account and make it available for the customers to purchase. Once you have created your vendor's account, you need to upload your product. For that, you need to sign into your account. Then go to the top left bar, choose the second option, Product, as shown in the video. Click on All Products in order to upload your item. Go to Create Product. The first step would be to enter the product description. Type your product name, choose the category suitable to your product. Further, select the subcategory to specify your product so that the buyers could find the exact product they are looking for. If you are selling a product of a brand, you can enter the brand name or else you can choose others. Next thing you need to add is the unit. Furthermore, you must insert a quality image. Should be of 320 into 400 pixels of your product for the customers to visualize. You can add multiple images at a time. Also, add any description about your product if you want to, either about the available colors, sizes, etc. Now go to the next page as shown in the video. Here, you need to enter the selling price or the retail price of your respective product. After entering the retail price, put product tax if applicable, add discounts if any, and finally commission percentage offered to LinkeDDup.com. Go to next page, that is customer choice option, and choose the colors, sizes, customer note, special instruction, etc. If you want to make any changes to your product description or your business details, you can simply go back to the previous page and change it. Then go to the next page and select shipping policy. Once done with all the steps, go back to the bottom right and click on upload. Now go to the main tab and set your product stock level. Congratulations, your product will be available for the customers once approved. Now you can showcase your quality products around the world.